6.2.2 Characteristics of square root graphs. Essential question. How do I identify key attributes of a square root function given a graph? The skills are, I can identify characteristics of square root functions, I can find domain and range, and I can describe transformation of functions. Let's look at this example. We have a square root. Let's find the x-intercept. We have -4, 0. And then the y-intercept is right here, 0, -1. The domain, left, right, x, on the left side is going on forever to -infinity, and on the right side, it stops at 0. So that's from -infinity to 0, also known as x is less than or equal to 0. The range is down, up, y. The lowest y appears to be -1, the highest just keeps going. So the range is from -1 to infinity, also known as y is greater than or equal to -1. Reflections. It appears that it flipped from here to the new one. It reflected across the y-axis. So there are 4 possibilities. So we have our parent function. We have this one, reflect y. We have this one right here, reflect x. And then we have the one where it reflects x and y. Dilations. Well, from the parent function to the new one, it looks like it got flatter. That's a horizontal stretch. And then translations, it went down 1. So to find our equation, we first would find a. We're going to use this formula, y equals a square root of x minus h plus k. Now the h and the k is going to be the point on the graph where it starts, where it originates, which happens to be the y-intercept in this case. And then we want to choose one other point. Let's do the x-intercept, -4, 0. So h equals 0, k equals -1, x is going to equal -4, and then y is equal to 0. Let's plug those in to solve for a. 0 equals a times the square root of -4 minus 0 plus -1. Add 1 to each side. 1 equals a times the square root -4. Since it reflected across the y-axis, you also need to add another negative sign there. So 1 equals 2a. Divide by 2, a equals 1/2. So your equation is y equals 1/2 square root of negative x minus 0, so just negative x, and then minus 1. All right, try the other example below.